As the local government elections draws near, the leaders of the two main political parties are facing a major trust deficit. The findings are based on a recent poll conducted by Don Anderson. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
Andrew Holness has been leader of the Jamaica Labour Party for 12 years, since October 2011. After serving as Prime Minister for a little over 2 months, he lost the 2011 general elections and served as opposition leader. He returned as Prime Minister after winning both the 2016 and 2020 general elections. For Mark Golding, who is an attorney at law and investment banker, he became the president of the People's National Party PNP and opposition leader in November 2020, 3 years in the position. He has also served as a senator and justice minister. Now, with the local government elections looming and the general elections to come, the spotlight has been placed on the leaders. 1,015 Jamaicans were asked which party leader is most trusted. The majority, 43%, said neither, and 11% did not know. 25% said they trusted Andrew Holness, and 21% Mark Golding.
What is interesting to note, and we have picked this up in other questions that we have put to the voters, that there is less of a focus on leaders and more on issues. And therefore, I think this probably accounts for the fact that less than 50% of the people that we interviewed put trust in either one of the two leaders. In terms of a favorability rating, and it's not a favorability question, Holness has traditionally, or certainly over the last couple of polls over the last 2 years or so, led significantly in this rating, far more so than Golding. So this gap therefore represents a closure, a narrowing of the way in which both leaders are perceived.
Field work for the Don Anderson polls was done between November 24 and December 7. It has a margin of error of ±3%. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.